Hopefully you are doing good. In this video, I will let you know how you can make the Lattes CV if you are going to apply for the Brazilian scholarships which are currently open. You have to require this CV format. So for this, you have to come to this website, click on it, and then you have to click on this third option. Further, you can translate it into English. Right click and then click on the translate to English. Here you have to pick up your nationality. I am from Pakistan, so I will continue. Okay, enter your further details, and then go to next page. Then here you can add the further details. Here it's your wish if you want to reveal or declare the color or race, and if you don't want, then click on this option that I don't want to declare. Further, if you have the Brazilian taxpayer ID, then you can add to this and click on the try. Otherwise, skip this one. You have to add the identity number, which will be your CNAC number issued by government of Pakistan. Here you will have to fill that number. And the issuing body is Pakistan. Moreover, this is the state number that recognized in the Brazil, so you can skip it. Furthermore, you have to add the issuing date of your CNIC number in the format. First, you have to add the day and then month and then year. Further, you have to add your passport number and the expiry date and issue date, and the country of origin is the Pakistan, obviously. Further, you have to add the first mother's name, mother's first and last name. And then click on the next. Further, you have to add your address, residential and professional, which will you want to add. Here I am going to add it. For this, you have to add your country first of all. And then add the zip code, which is 57,000. Furthermore, I will add only the shorter address, because I am an international student, so I don't think so that I have to provide the full address. Add the neighbor city, which is Lahore, and the current city. Add the province, and then add the contact information. And then click on next. This section we will add the academic background. First of all, I will add my latest degree, which is master's degree, and then you have to add the institution name. If you didn't if this you didn't get your institution via search option, then you have to manually add your institution. Like if I add the NUST to look over, it just give the NUST university name. You have to click on this university and then it automatically added in your institution section. Further, you have to add the start year and the completion year, which is 2019, and the completion year is 2021. Furthermore, you have to add the course, did the same as you did earlier. You have to register the course. Okay, you can add the area too, but I think I will go with the biosciences. I will go to the multidisciplinary option. It's optional, and then click on the confirm option. Moreover, if you get the scholarship during your master's degree or bachelor's degree, you can add the scholarship option too. Moreover, add the thesis title. I will copy and paste here. Furthermore, add the name of the advisor or supervisor. I will skip this option because no academic training is in progress. Okay. In this section, you can add the professional performance, like if you are going to work with some professor on any research project, or you are working with any collaborator. The collaborator should be the national or international level. You can add any or you are going to work, or currently you are working at some university or any other company. You can add that professional performance here. I have a collaboration with an international collaborator. Currently, I am working on a project, so I will add the information here. You can add according to yours. Here I am adding the institution. I have to manually add this institution because it didn't comes in the search box. So click here. And here you have to add the institution name. And then click on the confirm option. Okay. It automatically added here. Moreover, you can add the type of link, like which type of contact you are having. I think it's the good option contributor. And you can add the more specific position related to that contact. And then click next. Here you have to add the language skills, how many languages you can speak, and what is the criteria that you are going to understand or speaks or writes. So I am going to add the language. First of all, I am going to add the English. Moreover, you can add other languages if you want. Add as much languages as you can speak. And then click on the next option. Yes, you have to add the area of expertise too. For this, click on this search option. And then I am going to click on the biological sciences. Further, click on next, and it will generate your CV. Then you have to click on this option and send the CV to CNPQ, and it will process and share it on your email uh, within the 24 hours, hopefully.